Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain how to get aftershock data for a particular earthquake. So for that, you want to use the following website: United States Geological Survey, usgs.gov. Open this. So in this website, you want to type here earthquakes, then you will get this page. Earthquake Hazards Program. Click on Earthquakes. You will get this page and click on each of these tabs. So you will get information on latest earthquakes from this. So USGS magnitude 2.5 or more earthquakes past day. So you can get information from here. The next one is lists, maps, and statistics. This page, right? So you can get information on all earthquakes in the United States, in the world. The next one is special earthquakes, earthquake sequences, and fault zones. So for example, if you are interested in one of these earthquakes, you can get, these are very significant earthquakes in history. So if you are interested in, for example, magnitude 6.7, 17 January 1994, Northridge, California, you can click on this. So here you can find all the relevant information about this earthquake. Next one is photos, videos, and podcasts about earthquakes. Okay, so this is the important one. From this web page, I will explain how to get aftershock data for a particular earthquake. The next one is real-time notifications. You can read this information. The next one is information by region. Okay. Information by state or territory. Seismicity of the earth. Geonarratives. Next one is okay, so we check this web page. All right, so let me explain how to get aftershock data for a particular earthquake. Search earthquake catalog. So for this one, you want to choose first one of the earthquakes that you want to find information about aftershocks. So for me, I choose this earthquake, Northridge, California earthquake. So there is a Wikipedia page about this. In order to fill this page, you can read this information, or else you can use an AI tool like Perplexity to get relevant information. I will explain how to get aftershock data. You can fill magnitude. So I will put minimum magnitude. Choose first custom and put the minimum magnitude as 0.5. Okay. Now date and time. So I already filled this. It was on 17th of January 1994. And you can choose end. Whichever the date and time you can put here, or like you can extend as needed for longer term aftershocks. Okay, so the next one, You can fill all these blanks, but for now I will fill just only required uh, blanks. Advanced options, geographic region. So I obtained this information, this data from one of these pages and using some AI tools. North latitude, south latitude, and west longitude and east longitude. So you can check decimal degree coordinates. North must be greater than south, east must be greater than west. Okay. So you can fill these. I'm not going to fill those right now. Choose the event type as earthquake. And then, okay, scroll down. Scroll down further. So here output options, I will request a CSV file. So it is much easier for me. Order by time, oldest first. Yes, I need the oldest first. Then search. You can see the file downloaded. Open it. Here it is. So in this is the CSV file that we requested for the earthquake. So if you want to get only the aftershock frequency, so what you want to do is you want to delete all the columns except the first column, and each of these rows represent one aftershock. So in a separate video, I will explain how to get aftershock frequencies for each day. So thank you for watching.